the kids area dedicated to the kids section. Going on the slide?
Over there.
How are you feeling today, man? Good.
Ready?
How are you feeling, guys?
Let's do a show.
Awesome. You can come.
Not yet, not yet.
No. I'm gonna make one
So
sound.
this is it. It's very long. No. This is the door. Oh, sketchy.
Anyone knows this story?
Now it is time to go.
Do you guys know the very busy spider? No. You do? Good. You're the first person ever since I've been here, which is.
I was gonna fly off.
So, early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field, and these threads trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a backyard and began to spin away with a silky wrap. So, who knows how to do a horse sound? Horse.
If I put it here. Okay. Alright. Well, we didn't go in the castle. Let's go in the castle. I think I'm gonna do the ice cream one. I'm gonna do the ice cream one because I want to do the ice cream one. No, it's not. It's still open. So now we're gonna go to the beach. This is closed. Oh. That's closed. No, it's not closed. lollipop. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'd be like, oh, look at that axolotl. Axolotl. Avocado. Lemonade. Lemonade. Candy.
What's this?
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that. Is it candy?
Yeah. I think.
How you turn?
Is it even? Oh, I see. The candy's underneath. Just let it. It'll turn off itself.
Some cookies with it.
It's cute. Swedish fish. Sour sharks. I'd be good with sour. Come on, man.
It's happy face. Mm.
Other people will come. And then we will have hard time closing again for the next class.
We're gonna go to let's go to the arcade. I'm gonna go and get an ice cream, okay? So now I'm gonna scream. Can I get ice cream? Okay, ask mommy and dad. So let's go and get ice cream. Sugar beets. I mean, not sugar beets. Sprinkles. Then sprinkles. Sugar beets. Sprinkles. Then sprinkles. Well, first let me see the arcade. Can I get an ice cream? The arcade. And then electric TV. So that's upstairs. And this one.
More tickets are needed for this prize.
What even this is? Air hockey, whatever it's called.
जल्दी जाओ सेमा बेसो कियान हात पकडले कृष्ण जल्दी दादा नहीं कियान दीदी ले छे कियान कियान जल्दी दीदी ना हात
When the ice cream bowl, yeah. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Gonna have to give you drinks, see your husband.
Yeah.
Drink.
So you can get started. Now we're gonna do ice cream bowl. We'll just smell it from moving. Yes.
I'm not gonna spit it.
Okay, ready to lick this? It's so hard. This ice cream is stale, but it's so hard. And it's not even melted.
I'm gonna go fast. Faster than this. Let's get back into this.
Please, with cherry on top. With a fake cherry on top.
Oh, the cherry's
Melting in the ice cream. Ew! I don't want a melted cherry in ice cream.
I want melted ice cream and cherry,
Not cherry melted in the ice cream.
something like this.
Yeah, so. Not cherry
Want it to be on your face?
No. We're moving! Oh my god. Why is my eyes? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it's spinning.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. As you can see, this is from a kid's point of view. They had a great time on Icon of the Seas, and you know, they got to enjoy it as well as we got to enjoy it with them as well. So as you can see here, we're just taking pictures. I'm taking pictures of the wife, you know, part of the duties of going on a cruise. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Take it easy.
Tomorrow we gotta try out the water slides. I did it!